Hi guys, this is Marfel. You know what time it is? Racing Part 3. Today, we're gonna do it. I collect some loot, but something's not really that fair. I buy the sheriff, but I didn't get the track. So not cool. Anyways, let's race anyways. I'm level 13 now. If you want to come back race with me, sure, just give me a chance. I'm gonna do, I think jackets. I think for no problem. Yeah, the sheriff's not that upgraded yet. Let's do hard. See what I mean? Got the sheriff. Let's go. Anyways, I don't need to pay attention to you. But why the memories only just for 2 minutes in? Wait. Yep, no free boost. This one's a hard one, yo. Oh yeah. Come on, no. No. That's the first one. That's the first one. I lost that one. I need to raise the gun, start quick. I need to listen to you. Come on. Raise in 60 seconds. Come on. No need to. Come on, make it. Can't do this. I'm shimmering. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Please subscribe and watch it right now. Right here. Until the video end. Please subscribe and watch. And as always, sister and brother out.